Oh, hold on.
Hello guys, we're making a bird. So just draw a 1, then a 2, then a 3, then 2 5s, then a 7, and a 6.
Oh, that's
We
pretty
made
cool.
a bird, now we're making a nest. Just do it how you want, but just copy me. And you can do a hard one, anyone, but just copy my follow.
And color it.
Now, then we need to make a tree. So we can know there is a tree. To do a thing is really good. And it will match. Okay? I hope you like this video because I just did a makeup one. And I hope you like this one.
I'm going to color it?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Sorry about that, guys. I just made a hole, but it's okay. Now make some clouds. How many clouds you want? And do it how you want to do, like the nest. Then we're done. Now we just need to add some colors. Then we can make some little people down, like the bird watching.
Your color's right here.
And I'm doing my color thing. There's a girl and a boy walking to find a bird. I hope you like this video at the end because I tried so hard and I did this thing is almost done. We just need some colors. And subscribe and like this video for more videos. And write your names down so I know who you are, who like to subscribe and share and comment. Now we can make the bird. I hope you like the end of the movie. Daddy, I guess you need to do a new one. Just do it how you want. I do not care how you do it. And tell me if you did it how you want it to do. Give you this to go a little bit fast for one moment. If you want to do any bird you want as a color, you can do it. I just did a makeup one. Now a bird one. It's okay if anyone looks or watches it, it's okay because I'm a nice girl. And I also have one brother. Not that nice. That's not that nice. Sorry. Oh my God. Sorry about that, guys. I'm sorry about that, guys. I just did that. I'm sorry I just did that. I just fell, guys. I'm telling you I just fell. Just promise me. And it kind of hurt. And I hope you liked the video. And I hope you liked it because it's really good so far. And I hope you did good. So like it, subscribe. Okay? Sorry about that, guys. for the nest and the bird's back. Because you know birds have round backs.
You mean their beaks?
Yeah, their beaks.
Not a beak.
Sorry about that, guys. I just did a little thing.
This one they can see here. What you're doing. This is 6.
Yeah. There's 7.
This is your 7. What's this one here? Is that the 1?
Yeah.
And then this is the 3 around?
Yeah. Guys, my mom is this voice right there.
I'm just making it so that you guys can see her numbers and the 5s.
As the
And
flex.
the little feet.
We're doing everything. Every number we know is big and short. And this thing.
1, 2,
3,
3.
4.
Where's the 4?
There's no 4.
Oh, there's no 4?
There's supposed to be no
5, 6, 7. We'll skip over 4.
It's, no, Mommy, I wasn't meaning that. It's like a video from YouTube, and I'm copying it, but as it rains. Now we're going to do the people.
Can I help you do the trees?
Yes, my mom's doing the trees.
I'm just going to copy your things
The color inside. Wait, here's the brown, Mommy.
for the tree trunk.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm doing the people when
Oh, sorry.
it's okay.
Sorry, Loggy.
They said it's okay. My mommy is doing a teamwork with me. Sorry guys, we forgot to put those bodies out. Believe it or not, kids, stay in this video for the whole day that you know every day. And you need to get this thing while coloring it with on Christmas Eve.
Oh, yeah. You want to show them your Crayola?
Daddy. Because, look.
Crayola art box.
Put it on a box so I can color it. It has
Handy handle.
every color you need. Any color you need. And don't forget, kids, do not lose any or you don't keep it. Forever if you lost all them and you don't want it up.
All that.
Yes. And now we're done. Stay kind and stay nice. Peace.